Indoor plants perfect for self-watering pots, low maintenance, high rewards. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Self-watering pots are a fantastic solution for anyone who loves plants but struggles with the delicate balance of keeping them hydrated. These pots take the guesswork out of watering, providing a consistent supply of moisture to the plant's roots. However, not all indoor plants are suited for this type of system. Here, we'll explore the best indoor plants that thrive in self-watering pots, making your indoor gardening both rewarding and low maintenance. Number 1. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are known for their resilience and air purifying qualities. They thrive in indirect sunlight and can adapt to various humidity levels. Their root systems, while not overly demanding, appreciate a consistent water supply, making them ideal candidates for self-watering pots. Spider plants also grow rapidly, sending out offshoots called spidrets that can be propagated easily. Care tips: place them in bright, indirect light. Refill the self-watering reservoir when it runs low, usually every 1 to 2 weeks. Number 2. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Peace lilies are beautiful flowering plants that are surprisingly low maintenance. They are known to wilt dramatically when thirsty, but a self-watering pot can prevent this issue by providing a steady flow of water. These plants thrive in low-light environments, making them perfect for indoor spaces like offices and living rooms. Care tips: best in low to moderate light. Keep the water level in the reservoir stable to encourage healthy blooms. Number 3. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is an easygoing, fast-growing vine that can adapt to a variety of conditions, including low light. It's a natural fit for self-watering pots as it thrives on consistent moisture, but is also quite drought-tolerant if left for a while. Pothos grows quickly and trails elegantly, making it a beautiful addition to hanging planters or shelves. Care tips: thrives in low to bright indirect light. Refill the pot's reservoir every few weeks as needed. Number 4. Philodendron, Philodendron species. Philodendrons are another excellent option for self-watering pots. These plants are known for their adaptability and can thrive in various indoor conditions, including low light and high humidity. Their roots benefit from a constant moisture source, but they don't like to be waterlogged, making self-watering systems ideal as they provide just enough hydration. Care tips: best in indirect or low light. Check the water reservoir periodically to ensure the plant has enough water. Number 5. African violet, Saint Paulia. African violets are stunning, flowering houseplants that can be tricky to water. Their fuzzy leaves don't tolerate water splashes well, making self-watering pots a perfect solution. These pots allow water to reach the roots directly, keeping the leaves dry and encouraging healthy growth and blooming. Care tips: place in bright, indirect light for optimal blooming. Use distilled or filtered water to avoid mineral buildup in the soil. Number 6. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston ferns thrive in humid environments and require consistent moisture. In a self-watering pot, these ferns can get the moisture they need without the risk of root rot, which often happens with overwatering. Boston ferns are excellent for improving indoor air quality, and their lush green fronds add a touch of nature to any room. Care tips: keep in a spot with bright, indirect sunlight. Ensure the self-watering reservoir is consistently filled to maintain the plant's humidity needs. Number 7. CZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. The CZ plant is one of the hardest indoor plants and can survive in low light and neglect. While it doesn't need much water, it appreciates a steady supply when it does, making a self-watering pot a convenient option. This plant's thick, Waxy leaves store water, so it's great for anyone who might forget to check the water level now and then. Care tips. Best in indirect to low light. Allow the pot to dry out slightly between refills to prevent overwatering. Number 8. Orchids, Phalaenopsis species. Orchids, especially the Phalaenopsis variety, are sensitive to overwatering. However, they require a precise amount of moisture at the roots to thrive. Self-watering pots provide a controlled watering system that keeps the orchid's roots moist but not soggy, mimicking the plant's natural growing environment. Care tips. Orchids prefer indirect, bright light. Use an orchid-specific self-watering pot with a well-draining medium to prevent waterlogging. Number 9. Herbs, basil, mint, and parsley. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley do very well in self-watering pots, as these plants love consistent moisture but dislike standing water. Having them in self-watering containers on a sunny kitchen windowsill ensures they have the hydration needed to grow lush and flavorful without the risk of wilting or root rot. Care tips. Place in a sunny location, preferably with 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Regularly refill the reservoir to keep the plants growing vigorously. Number 10. Calathea, Calathea species. Calatheas are known for their stunning, patterned leaves and high humidity requirements. These plants do well in self-watering pots because they like evenly moist soil but are sensitive to overwatering. The consistent hydration from a self-watering system mimics the humid conditions of their natural tropical environment. Care tips. Calatheas thrive in low to medium indirect light. Refill the reservoir regularly to maintain the moisture levels. Self-watering pots provide a steady supply of moisture to plants, ensuring consistent growth and preventing many common issues related to under or overwatering. The indoor plants listed here are excellent choices for these systems, as they either thrive in consistently moist soil or benefit from controlled hydration. By pairing the right plant with a self-watering pot, you can enjoy a flourishing indoor garden with minimal effort. If you like this video and it helps you, please click the like button. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember to take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.